How to reset Valorant password. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open any web browser in your laptop or PC that you feel comfortable with, and on the search URL type in riotgames.com. Then press enter on your keyboard. Now you will directly land on this official web page. Now to log in, head over to the top right corner. There you will find the sign in button. Click on that. Then you will be taken to sign in portal. Now to reset the password, there at the bottom of this pop-up box or sign in page, there you will have a link that says can't sign in. So click on that. That will take you to next page where you will have a link to forgot password. So click on that again. After that, to begin, first of all, you have to provide your username. So make sure you enter your correct username. And at the top of that, there you will have a drop down menu to select your country where you live. So from there, make sure you select your country and then tap on this next button right here. Now you have to complete this verification. It says click on entity that doesn't have a pair. Now once they verified, you will see this next interface where it says if your username matches an existing account, we will send a password reset email within a few minutes. If you haven't received an email, check your spam folder or contact player support. So if you have entered your correct username associated with your account, then you will have an email in your email account. So go back and check up your email, and there you will find a link to reset your password from the Riot Games. So follow the link, and then there you will be able to reset your password. Type in your password, confirm your password, then tap on done. With that, your password will be reset. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thank you, and I will see you on next video.